In this video, we're unboxing and installing strut assembly on this 2010 Honda Civic. Strut assembly showcase. Rear shock absorber. Front strut assembly with spring mount. Instruction manual. Tools required for front strut removal on Honda Civic. 1/2-inch torque wrench. 1/2-inch electric torque wrench. 1/2-inch electric impact wrench. Mid-size electric impact wrench. Pry bar. 17mm wrench. 19mm wrench. 13mm socket. 17mm socket. 14mm socket. 14mm mid-size socket. Use a 17mm socket to loosen the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Lift the vehicle. Use a 13mm socket. Remove the brake line bracket bolt. Use a pry bar to remove the wheel speed sensor bracket. Use an 18mm socket with a 17mm wrench. Remove the strut to knuckle lower bolt. Use a 19mm wrench with a 17mm socket. Remove the other strut to knuckle lower bolt. Remove the bolt. Separate the knuckle from the strut. Lower the vehicle. Open the hood. Support the strut. Remove the left strut tower upper cover. Remove the trim strip. Remove the cover plate. Use a 14mm socket to remove the strut tower upper mounting nut. Remove the strut. New strut. Position the new strut into place. Hand start the nut. Use a 14mm socket. Secure the new strut tower upper mounting nut. Lift the vehicle. Torque the strut tower upper mounting nut to 45 Newton meters or 33 foot-pounds. Position the knuckle and hand start the bolt. Hand start the other bolt. Hand start the nut. Hand start the other nut. Use an 18mm socket with a 17mm wrench. Tighten the strut to knuckle lower bolt. Use a 17mm socket with a 19mm wrench. Tighten the strut to knuckle lower bolt. 17mm socket. Torque the strut to knuckle lower bolt to 130 Newton meters or 96 foot-pounds. Install the brake line bracket bolt. Use a 13mm socket to tighten the brake line bracket nut. Clip the wheel speed sensor bracket back on. Reinstall the cover. Replace the trim strip. Lower the hood support strut. Close the hood. Install the wheel. Hand thread the lug nuts. Use a 17mm socket to install the lug nuts. 17mm socket. Torque the lug nuts to 130 Newton meters or 96 foot-pounds. Tools required for rear strut removal on Honda Civic. 1/2-inch torque wrench. 1/2-inch electric impact wrench. Pry bar. 1/2-inch 14mm socket. 1/2-inch 17mm socket. 17mm socket, remove the rear lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Remove the wheel. Lift the vehicle. Use a 14mm socket to remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Lower the vehicle. Open the trunk lid. Remove the trunk mat. Use a pry bar to remove the clips. Remove the foam pad. Remove the rear trim cover. Use a pry bar to remove the inner liner. Set the liner aside. Use a 14mm socket. Remove the rear shock absorber upper mounting nut. Remove the nut and washer. Remove the rear shock absorber. New shock absorber. Before installation, remove the upper bushing and washer from the old unit. Position the new shock absorber into place. Install the new bushing and washer. Hand start the nut. Hand start the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Use a 14mm socket to secure the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Torque the shock absorber lower mounting bolt to 100 Newton meters or 74 foot-pounds. Use a 14mm socket. Secure the shock absorber upper mounting nut. Install the rear wheel. Install the lug nuts. Use a 17mm socket to secure the rear lug nuts. Torque the rear lug nuts to 130 Newton meters or 96 foot-pounds. Reinstall the inner liner. Reinstall the interior clips. Replace the foam pad. Install the clips. Reinstall the rear trim panel cover. Replace the trunk mat. Close the trunk lid.